There is a reason you're watching this video right now. Maybe you have lost someone you deeply loved. While the time passed, the ache in your heart still lingers. Maybe you have had moments where you felt their presence, a deep dream that stayed with you, a scent in the room that shouldn't have been there, a sudden rush of emotions that had made no sense in the moment. And maybe you are wondering if that means something. I want to say this gently and clearly. You are not imagining it. What you are feeling is real. And there is a way to go deeper, to reconnect with that presence, and finally hear the message your heart has been holding space for. That's what mediumship offers. Not an escape from your grief, but a doorway to peace. If you have been waiting for a sign, this is your sign. If you have feel called to connect deeper, my one-on-one sessions are now open and you'll find the booking link in the video description below. Let's first understand why grief feels unfinished. When someone we love passes, the world moves on quickly, but our hearts doesn't. People expect us to function, smile, and get back to normal, but the grief lingers in the invisible places and our body. It's not always loud. Sometimes it shows up everyday moment, their favorite song on the radio, an empty chair at the dinner table, or the silence that fills the room they used to light up. What really stays with us are the unspoken things, or simply the longing for one more hug. That's what makes grief feel unfinished, and no amount of time erases that feelings in us. Mediumship doesn't erase pain, but it creates a space where that unfinished love can speak again, and their healing begins from the heart outward. So many people who reach out to me say the same thing. I feel them sometimes, but I don't know if it is real or it is just my imagination. Let me tell you, if you have felt them, they are reaching out to you. Maybe it can be a dream that felt too vivid. Maybe smelled their perfume in an empty room. Or maybe you heard their voice in your mind just when you needed that comfort. And that's not imagination. That is called connection. Your loved one hasn't left you. They simply stepped into a new way of being with you. In a mediumship session, these moments becomes clearer. It's time to tune into that blurry radio station. Suddenly, you hear the message that was slowly trying to reach to you. You feel their love, their presence, their energy as strongly as if they are standing right in front of you. And that's what changes everything. When you're ready to hear what your loved ones has been waiting to say, book your session today. Link is in the description box. A mediumship session is a deep personal conversation. It doesn't follow a script. It is sacred space that I create for the spirit to lead the way and speak. Sometimes a nickname comes through that no one else would know. Sometimes it's a memory of tucked away that rises to surface with lots of love. These are the moments where clients cry, not from sadness but from the feeling of truly being seen and reconnected. The energy in those sessions is not uncomfortable. It is calming, supportive, and filled with emotions. In fact, the most common thing people say after the session is, I didn't expect it to feel this peaceful. If you're wondering whether this connection can truly bring peace, it can. You don't need to believe in everything. You just need to believe in your love for them and their love for you. Let me tell you, mediumship is not about forgetting. This isn't about letting go or choose another chapter. This is about continuing your relationship just in a new and spiritual form, like we do automatic writing, mediumship, teaching our students to do it on their own. Through mediumship, we discover that our loved ones are still with us, not just in our memory, but also in their presence. That they are aware of what's happening in your life and that they are proud of you. Or maybe they want you to rectify certain things in your life. And that's how they guide you for everything. So many people carry guilt, wondering if they said enough, did enough, were there enough. Mediumship helps release that guilt. it always forgives to flow in both directions. You may not realize how deeply your loved ones wants you to feel the joy again. They want your life to expand, not shrink. They want you to thrive, not just survive. This is about honoring the connection while stepping fully into your life again with their support and their presence. If you're watching this and feeling something in your heart, the warmth, the tears, or the sense the message is for me, then yes, this is for you. If your grief feels stuck or quiet or heavy, this is for you. If you have been wishing for a sign that they are okay and wondering if they still know how much you love them, this is for you. Mediumship isn't about proving anything to others. It is about receiving the message your soul has been holding space for. And yes, it's for everyone. And sometimes people feel that I'm not ready, but let me tell you, you are ready every time, every single day to listen from them. I invite you to book a one-on-one session with me. We hold space together gently and safely. The link is given in the description box. And trust me, you didn't find this video by accident. Sometimes the nudge you feel is your loved ones guiding you. You may have asked the universe for a sign, and here is it. You are not crazy for feeling them near. You're not wrong for still wanting to hear their voice. That connection is sacred. Through mediumship, we don't say goodbye. We say hello again in a new, beautiful way. And when you feel their message, when you hear that one sentence your heart has been waiting for, something inside you shifts. The tears come, but so does the relief. So does the peace. And you start to live again, not as someone who lost, but as someone who loves fully, spiritually, and is connected. When your heart is ready, I'm here for you. The session details are below. Let's open the doorway together. Your loved ones may be closer than you think. You can book your reading directly from the website www.sanskritisethi.com, or you can connect with my team on WhatsApp +919634003939. See you in the session.